Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining in for our second phase of building great business credit. If this is like the first time you're tuning in to this channel, you want to go back to our introductory phase and our first phase. You're going to need to have completed those phases to do our second phase of building our business credit. Hopefully you've been using your net 30 payment accounts and you've been paying them off early. Not on time, but 15 to 20 days early, even 25 days early. Because as I expressed in our introductory video, you need to have a goal in mind to get above 80 credit score. So let's look at an account, and it's a net 55 account. It's called New Egg. New Egg, you can request a credit line up to $10,000. It's managed by Synchrony Bank. It doesn't report on the Duns & Bradstreet. However, it does use your Experian Business. So New Egg account, that's one of the accounts you could try to open. So we just don't want to open up these accounts and not use them. We want to actively use them and pay them off early. That's going to help us establish our credit, because our goal is to get $100,000 to $250,000 line of credit for our business. It's going to tell the banks this is a fiscally responsible business, so we trust them. We can extend a line of credit to them. Now, another account that you could get, and you could get a credit line up to $40,000, is Sunbelt. Sunbelt has heavy lifting tools, okay, industrial tools like lifts. They have rigs, things of that nature, and it's a net 15 account because they rent tools. You can't buy them, but you can rent them for jobs, scaffolding, stuff like that. So if you're in the construction business or a remodeling business, you can use that. Actually, my business actually uses it because when we do commercial jobs in larger buildings, sometimes we will have to rent an industrial lift, and we rent it through Sunbelt, okay? So Sunbelt is a net 15 account. Now, one of the downfalls about Sunbelt, you have to been in business for a while. You can't be a new business and applying for this account. But if you're an existing business and you got about 2 years under your belt, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to get approved for a line of credit with Sunbelt. When you're applying for any accounts, if they have a Duns & Bradstreet field, always use it. If you're applying for a net 30 account, leave the personal guarantor off. Just use your Duns & Bradstreet and your EIN number. Now let's go to what we need to do with our UCC filing with our first phase. And hopefully you did this, you guys. We need to refile the UCC filing on Company A. We said on Company A, we extended them a line of credit from our other company. We need to go back and we need to file it with a 30% lower balance. So if you extended a line of credit of $10,000, you need to report Company A paid $3,000 and the balance of $7,000 is left over. We need to file an amendment of UCC1, and we want to report 30% less. You should be mailing it to the credit reported agency, and that's on your Experian, and that is on your Duns & Bradstreet. You want to make sure it's showing up in the legal section. Before we go to the next phase, we want to pull our credit report. We need to pull our credit report and to make sure that all our net 30 payment accounts that we've been using is actually reporting on our business credit profile. For business credit, it's not free. You have to pay for it. But I suggest not to pull your credit more than twice a month. So you're going to need to do that before we get to phase 3. Only thing I ask for you guys to like and subscribe and share this video. Leave your comments in the comment section. Leave your questions in the comment section. It helps me with the YouTube algorithm, okay? I am on a goal to get to 25,000 subscribers. I know it's a big goal, but it's my goal. So hook a sister up. Until the next video, I am sending all my good to you. I will talk to you soon.